All right, so for what can you do? Let's talk about the sight words in phonics as well as the syllable LE for the story of the week. The first vocabulary word that we're going to learn about is the word different. Now you say it. Children like to help out in different ways. Near. The girl helps plant flowers near the porch. Enough. Is there enough paint for everyone? Stories. They read silly stories to each other. High. The girl helped him swing high. Always. She always helps her brother tie his shoes. That's very sweet. Once. The boys cleaned up once they were done. Happy. She was happy to eat her watermelon. Now let's talk about phonics, words with ER, EST. So we can add an ER and EST to a base word and it can compare it. So let's talk about this. We have small, smaller, smallest. The base word is small and we can add an ER or an EST. Let's take a look at this one. The base word is tall. We have tall, taller, tallest. When we talk about tall, it's number 1. Taller is number 2, and tallest is number 3. We are comparing the 3 of them. This guy is the tallest. Number 3 is the tallest. We can use the word big and say bigger, biggest. We start off with big. The middle is bigger with ER, and then biggest. We have cute, cute, cuter, cutest. I know, this one's really hard to tell which one's the cutest. We have hot. Now you try it. Good. You probably said hot, hotter, hottest. Yep, the sun would probably be the hottest. Let's talk about cold. Cold. If we want to compare it to ice cream, we would say that an ice is colder and an igloo is the coldest. Now, when we talk about old, we could say old, and then we have someone that can be older. And out of the 3 of them, we have the oldest, which is the lady in the rocking chair. Now we have young. We can use the base word young and say younger. So this boy right here probably has a sister who is younger than him. And then they have the youngest, who's probably the smallest. Now we have the syllable LE. Now the LE at the end of a word still has the L sound to it. Let's try the first one. Jiggle. Wiggle. You say the last one. Yep, you're right. Tickle. Let's try the next one. LE, little. Riddle, which is what we've been really good at. Puddle. Which sentence is a statement? Take a couple of seconds to look at them. Yep, you're right. It's the one with the period. Emma knows how to ski. Which sentence should have an exclamation mark? Yeah, you're right. It's the one that has to have the most emotion. Watch out for the puddle. You are now done. Don't forget to take your quiz. It is part of part 2. If you have any questions, you can always ask. I'm here to help.